In this video, I'll show you how to download your project from Lovable AI. Lovable does not have a direct download button, so we're going to use GitHub to export your project. This is the official recommended method. First, open the project you want to download in the Lovable editor. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner and click on the GitHub icon. Follow the prompts to authorize Lovable to access your GitHub account. If you have not connected a GitHub account yet, click on Connect GitHub and complete the authorization process. Once your account is connected, click on Create Repository. Lovable will automatically create a new repository on your GitHub account and push all of your project code there. If you see a prompt that says Transfer Anyway, go ahead and click on that to proceed. Once the repository is created, click on the View on GitHub link inside Lovable. This will take you directly to your project repository on GitHub. On the GitHub repository page, click the green Code button. A drop-down will appear. Click on Download Zip. This will save your entire project codebase as a zip file directly to your computer. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file, and you will have all your project files ready to use locally. That is how you do it.